Welcome back to Get Your Quiz On, your home for daily trivia shorts and massive weekly challenges. Test your knowledge and challenge your mates. Let's get started.
Who's hiding these stripes? It's a tiger. Guess this black and white pattern. It's a zebra. Which tall animal is this? It's a giraffe. Look at that trunk. What is it? It's an elephant. Spot this king of the jungle. It's a lion. Level up. Medium animals are coming. Tap like if you're ready. Can you guess this color changer? It's a chameleon. Which jumpy friend is this? It's a frog. Who's covered in tiny spikes? It's a hedgehog. Who's staring with big eyes? It's an owl. What's this animal? It's a snake. Hard round unlocked. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out these scaly skin patterns. Who is it? It's a lizard. Green and scaly. Guess this one. It's an iguana. Which ocean star is this? It's a starfish. Who is this? It's a jellyfish. Guess who? It's an axolotl. Final challenge unlocked. Impossible animal. Comment which ones you've gotten wrong. Can you see through it? Guess this one. It's a glass frog. Which creature looks just like a leaf? It's a leaf insect. Blending in. What's this? It's a stick insect. Who is this snake? It's an axanthic python. Colorful sea slug. Guess who? It's a nudibranch.
Well done for playing Get Your Quiz On. How many did you get right? If you enjoyed the quiz, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly trivia challenges, and drop your score in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next quiz.